to Official Storytime with Miss Anna. Today we're going to be reading Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons. Art by James Dean, creator of Pete the Cat. Story by Eric Litwin. Let's see what the story is all about. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop. Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 3. 4 take away 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop. Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 2. 3 take away 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop. Oh no, another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. 2 take away 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 1 groovy button. My 1 groovy button. Pop. Oh no, the last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 take away 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt. And what do you think he saw? His belly button. And he kept on singing his song. My button still have my belly button. My button still have my belly button. It's all good. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go, but do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. I love this story, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.